Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the second video on the chapter Algebraic Factorization of Algebraic Expressions. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss some more concept about these factorizations. Okay, let's start. So first of all we are going to discuss what is algebraic expression contains common binomial factors. That means in this condition there is common binomial factors. Look at the term binomial. That means binomial means what? Two terms. Okay, binomial means two factors are having common. So what is binomial factors? Let us see. Look at this example here. 5 into b plus d minus d into b plus d. So what? How you can write this expression? So look at here again. So here b plus d and b plus d is common. In this algebraic expression, b plus d and b plus d are common. So we can take it as common. So how we can write 5 minus b into b plus d. So you can write like this. Whenever there is a common factor, this is a binomial factors because two terms are there. So we can write like this. So 5 minus d, that is the common of 5 is common of this by b plus d. And minus d is common for this b plus d. So together we can write like this 5 minus d into b plus d because b plus d is common in both the terms. So look at second example here. Y into y minus 3 plus 7 into y minus 3. So what is common here? We see that here y minus 3 and y minus 3 is common in both these algebraic expressions. So in this polynomial, so here y minus 3 is common, so you can write like this y minus 3 plus, so look at y sign is plus and 7 sign is also plus, so you can write like this y plus 7. Okay, now look at this example. Here z square plus 5 and z square plus 5 is common, so you can write this algebraic expressions as this z square plus 5, okay, one term, and look at here, a sign is plus and this there is nothing is there. That means what is there here? If nothing is given written here, we can write 1. Okay, that means 1 is multiplied many times with that same term. So here we can write a minus 1. So a minus 1. Now see this example. Here a minus 3 is given, but here 3 minus n is given. So whenever this condition arises, we can change the sign. If we change the sign, then it will be n minus 3. How it is? First write n into n minus 3. Okay. If we write change the sign here, if 7 becomes plus, then we can change the sign inside. That means it can be written as n minus 3. Value is same because here look at here. If minus 7 is multiplied to 3, it becomes minus 21. And so here also see 7 minus 3 is minus 21. And look at here, minus of minus will be plus. 7 into n is 7n. So plus 7n. So in this case you see here plus 7 into n 7n. So both the cases the value becomes same. So both the algebraic expression value becomes same. So there is no change in the value. So we can write like this. So we have already done n minus 3 common in both the expression. So how we can write now? N minus 3 one term and another term is n plus 7. N plus 7. Okay. So likewise we can do this many common binomial factors. So these are binomial factors because there are two terms are present. See, all the cases there is common two terms are there. That's why it is called binomial factors. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some exercise problem. So exercise 6b, this question is given. Factorize 6 into 3 plus x into 3 plus x. So what do we see here in this question? In the both the terms 3 plus x is a common binomial factors. So how to write this one? 3 plus x. First write the common factor, that is 3 plus x. Then write the other term, that is 6. Common terms are 6 here and here plus x. So you can write 6 plus x. Okay. So this is the solution. Now look at this question. In this question, what we see here? D minus 5 is here inside bracket, and here 5 minus D. If you make to this change it to the same term, same binomial factor or common factor, we have to change the sign here. If you change the sign, it become D minus 5. Okay, so change the sign here. So D into D minus 5, and look at here, change the sign. Plus 7 is there. If you change the sign to minus 7, then inside bracket the sign will be changed. So here it becomes D minus 5. So now look at here, D minus 5 and D minus 5 are both common binomial factors. So we can take common now. So what is the expression? We have to write here D minus 5 then into D minus 7. So if D minus 5 is common here. Now look at this question. Here question is given, factorize n minus 10 whole square plus 10 minus n. So if you want to change the same binomial factor, common factor, we have to change the sign, and here it is given square form. That means a square means a into a, and 2 square means 2 into 2. Likewise, you can write this one, n minus 10 into n minus 10. Okay, and plus 10 minus n. So here you see that this is n minus 10, but here it is 10 minus n. So we have to change the sign here so that it becomes common. Equal to n minus 10 into n minus 10. Change the sign here, minus. So you can write this one n minus 10. Now we see that the n minus 10 and n minus 10 are common factors. So you can write here n minus 10 as common. If you take n minus 10 as common here, what is present? N minus 10 is present. So you can write n minus 10, and what is it present here? If n minus 10 already common, so there is only 1 is left. So you can write here that is minus 1. So what is the solution here? N minus 10 and inside bracket. So n minus here minus 10 minus 1 will become minus 11. That is the solution. Okay. Now look at this question. In this question it is given that x plus y into 3x minus 7 minus of x plus y into 2x minus 11. So here we are looking that x plus y is common in both the term, algebraic expression or polynomial. So you can write x plus y and x plus y is common. So take common x plus y. If you take x plus y common, then what is left? The term left are 3x minus 7. And what is left here? That is minus of 2x minus 11. Okay. So here x plus y you can write. Then open the bracket. If you open the bracket, it becomes the sign will be changed. So 3x minus 7, then minus 2x minus of minus become plus. So plus 11. Now just simplify it. Like terms, we can simplify it. 3x minus 2x is how much? X or 1x. So to write x plus y, one term, another term will be 3x minus 2x, that is x. And minus 7 minus 7 and this plus 11. 11 minus 7 will be how much? That is plus 4. So this is the solution of this algebraic expression. So this algebraic expression can be factorized as this, that is x plus y into x plus 4. Okay. Now we are going to solve some more question on this exercise, that is 6b. Look at this question number 15. The question says that factorize 3a minus 1 whole square minus 6a plus 2. So here what you are looking here? The same common factor you have to find out. So here 3a minus 1 is already one factor is there. We have to make it this term as 3a minus 1. How it is? That is 3a minus 1 whole square, you can write like this. 3a minus 1 into 3a minus 1. Okay. Then here minus 6a and plus 2. What is common in between 2? We see that 6 and 2 the LCM is we can take 2 as common. So if we take 2 as common, it becomes 3a, okay, because minus 2 into 3a how much? Minus 6a. Then if you take here 1 as common, plus 1, so minus 2 into plus or minus 1, sorry, minus 1, so minus 2 into minus 1, it will become plus 2, so value does not change. So minus 2 into 3a become minus 6a, minus 2 into minus 1 become plus 2. So value plus 2, the value does not change here. Now we are looking here that 3a is common here and here also 3a is common. So take common 3a minus 1, that is equal to 3a minus 1. If you take common term, then it becomes what? 3a minus 1 is left here and minus here 2 is left. Okay, because 3a minus 1 is common. Now you can write this as 3a minus 1, and what is, you simplify this one, minus 1 into minus 2, that is minus 3. So you can write 3a minus 3. Okay, so this is the solution. Further, it can be further simplified like this. See here, 3a and 3. Here both the terms common. What is common here? 3 is common. So you can take 3 as common. If you take 3 as common, it becomes 3a minus 1 into a minus how much? 3a, that is 1, because if you multiply 3 into a, that is 3a, and 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, so value does not change. It is same as this term expression. This expression and this both are same. You can write both the answers. Okay. Now look at this question. Number 16. Number 16 say that factorize this algebraic expression, that is given x into x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z plus 2z minus x. So here equal to, we see that x minus 2z is here and x minus 2z is there. Here also same term, but here 2z minus x is there. So if you want to change the sign, so it becomes x minus 2z. So just change it, x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z, then minus. If you change the sign to minus, it becomes x minus 2z. So here we see that in all the three terms, x minus 2z is a common factor. So you can write like this, x minus 2z, that is common, and what is left here? Common, x plus y minus nothing is there, that means 1 is left, so minus 1. Okay. So you can write like this. So this is the x minus 2z into x plus y minus 1 is the solution of this algebraic expression.